During this install video, I will show you the proper way to put on your new cable saver from AnyGlide. It is important to note that if you do not install these carefully, you can slightly damage your transducer cable. You can ignore the liquid electrical tape I have on mine, as I bought mine used, no longer have warranty, started to see it to crack, so this was my temporary fix until I made my cable saver. So to install this, make sure you have your cable pulled straight and that there are no bends or twists in the cable. Then you simply slide the cable through the slit. There's just enough room that when you turn it 90 degrees, it can go up and down on this cable without catching it. Now this is where it's important to keep the cable straight and the cable saver straight as well. If there is a bend or twist in the cable, it will not slide properly. If you feel any resistance, do not force it. This is machined aluminum versus rubber cable. If you force it, the aluminum will win and it will shave a little bit of your wire coating, like the picture I'm about to show you. Once you have the cable saver on, rotated and slid down onto your transducer, you then put in the 4 supplied stainless steel bolts, line up the holes, and then tighten it on. You do not need to get these super tight, just good and snug. And it's as simple as that.